All right, hey you guys, it's Angel here, checking in with a real brief video. I wanted to share, if you take a look down here, we have a stain on the actual carpet. It was coffee. Tried a couple of different things, but I'm going to show you how to actually get the stains out. So first thing I want to show you is this really cool brush. We actually sell these and promote these. So one side has these stiffer brushes and the other one has a softer brushes. Okay, so and it's telescopic, so it goes and becomes smaller. You can put it in the closet real easy. All right, so that's the actual brush. And then if you take a look, we got a couple different products here. So we got the foam stain remover, and then we also have the Bio Oxy, and this is good for salsa, coffee, pizza stains. All right, so you can spray either that, okay, or we have this one as well. This is eco-friendly, and this one what's nice is that there is no chlorine, no ammonia, no formaldehyde, no phosphates, no parabens. Okay, so this is all natural stuff. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do half the stains with the actual brush. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it down, and let's see here. So we spray the solution down on here. Okay, and then what we're going to do is with the brush over here, first we'll do the stiffer brush, and what we'll do is we'll agitate it, okay, and you can already see the stain is coming out, okay, and you can always put a little bit more if you need it, and then go on the other side if you like. There you go, and you can see half the stain is already gone. Okay, so that's for half the stain. You could use that, and then you could use something to extract it. In this case, we're using the rainbow cleaner, which is right here. All right, so what I'm going to do is put the Aquamate solution in it already. All right, what's cool with this, it's very easy to actually set up. Okay, so there's two sides. You will have the big side for the clean water, and you have the small side for the shampoo. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it down, push it forward, and actually turn the machine on, and let's get some of these things out. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to do the other side. All right, now if you come on over, take a look down here. All right, if you take a look, you can actually see the stain coming out. Yep. Look at that. All right, and I'm going to put a little bit of the other solution onto there. Okay, there it is. Okay. Next step is rinse, so now we're going to rinse it. And the last step is the suction. Come on over, take a look over here. Right on the front, you can see the stains actually coming out, and it's taking out the residual soap out of the carpet. If you don't take the residual soap out of the carpet, what's going to happen is soap is actually gummy, it's gooey, and it'll take more stains, it'll attract more stains in the future. Wow, look at that. There it is. So that's how you use the solutions. Okay. And what you do, just keep going over it until you don't hardly see anything coming up. The more you suck up, the quicker the carpet will dry. The quicker the carpet dries, the less chance of more stains occurring. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Right? That's how you use the solutions. And to extract, use your rainbow cleaner, and the carpet looks like brand new now. All right, so there it is. There you have it. I'll show you. So this is the difference. If you take a look over here, that's the actual coffee stain that was down on the ground. So what we did is we actually conditioned it, we spot cleaned it, and actually sucked and extracted the stuff out of the ground. All right, and these are the products. So we have one, which is the stain remover. That's this one right over here. Check it out. Any questions? I'll put the link underneath. You got this one, which is BioOxy. I'll put the link down at the bottom of the video. And then this one, which is from the Melaleuca, the wellness company, and it's called Solumet. This one, you could actually make 3 different cleaners with the same solution. All right, so there you have it. If you have any questions, reach out. You guys have a great day.